going to talk about cleaning the baker on the top. We've kept this pretty clean, which is great. We've kept that wiped down. This has become dirty, and it should be cleaned regularly. We use the spray foam cleaner with the Barkeeper's Friend. You can use one of our rags, one of our cloth rags. We'll pull that over. But this Barkeeper's Friend is something, it's not going to happen on the first try either. You're going to have several cleanings. Davey, do you have anything to add about cleaning the top of these?
I definitely let it be kind
let
of
it set.
Yeah, let it sit.
I'm going to try to find one spot here. Go ahead and tell us about your cleaning process.
But I use
She uses
this.
a scraper across the top to get the thick stuff.
Definitely on the sides too, because the side is where it gets black more than the top.
But the
And
oil,
once that sets,
yeah,
we'll be able to find the clear surface again. I'm trying to find you one spot where we can show it. Anything else to tell folks about cleaning the top?
no, just keep trying. You have to put a little bit of elbow grease into it.
Yeah. And letting that set to cut through is a great idea. So if you guys are getting the picture of that, I'm going to actually use my glove and kind of spread that around. And we'll let that set for a little bit, and we'll come back up and scrub on there. So our goal is to get that surface looking more like that surface on the bottom. It's always a challenge because with baking, you're always going to have dripping and things like that happen. But cleaning this regularly is a big part of our preventive maintenance to make sure that we have a clean working machine.